Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 28. Quaestio octava et vicesima. In quo consistit Christi exaltatio? Responsio. Exaltatio Christi consistit in resurrectione eius a mortuis tertio die, ascensu in coelum, sessione ad dextram Dei Patris, adventu eius ad mundum iudicandum die novissimo. The question, in what, interrogative pronoun, neuter singular ablative, in what does the exaltation of Christ consist? Exaltatio, feminine, singular, nominative, is the subject, and Christi, masculine, singular, genitive of possession. In what does Christ's exaltation consist? The answer, responsio, the exaltation of Christ consists in his resurrection, in a resurrectione eius, a mortuis, from the dead, tertio die, on the third day. A mortuis is an ablative of separation. On the third day, tertio die, is an ablative of time, that is, a point of time. It consists in, so first resurrectione, or resurrectione as the object, then ascensu. Ascensu is masculine, singular, and ablative from the fourth declension noun ascensus, like so, ascensus. So secondly, in his ascension into heaven. In the third place, in his session, that is, his sitting down, ad dextram Dei Patris, at the right hand of God, the Father, Dei Patris. Each one of these objects of the preposition in, i.e. resurrectione, and ascensu, and sessione, is patterning with a prepositional phrase which qualifies and explains it further. For resurrectione, it's a mortuis. For ascensu, it's in coelum. For sessione, ad dextram. And for adventu, the last one, and in his coming, adventu eius, his coming again, adventu, which is also a fourth declension noun from adventus, adventus, like so, masculine, and in his coming back, ad mundum iudicandum, to judge the world, die novissimo, on the last day. Iudicandum is a gerundive, that is a verbal adjective. It's passive, it's modifying mundum. So to translate it woodenly, and in poor English we would say, and in his returning, adventu eius, in order for the world to be judged. This gerundive indicates necessity or obligation. And then die novissimo, masculine, singular, and ablative, from the fifth declension masculine noun, dies diei, and it has the superlative adjective novissimo, which means the last, the most recent. Here is a painting of one of the Westminster divines who would have voted on this catechism, John Conant, 1608-1694.